So this is just overall cost. So we had edging, we had the cement board.
Yep.
The cement itself was how many bags and how much?
I think I used 18 bags of 60-pound bags each.
And he mixed them all outside that door, folks.
Yeah.
Every bag. And there is a cost difference between getting the cement that looks like normal, you know, cement walkway, and then you can also buy a different kind of cement, which is a light color. So depending on what color you want and we'll talk about that with customization, but the white bags of cement were definitely more, maybe twice, 2 times. We'll have to let you know how much more, because that's going to vary depending on your distributor. But from what we were able to find, it was about double the cost of what regular cement was. So we went with just regular plain gray cement. So we had the edging, we had the base, we had the cement itself, and then what was another cost? The stuff, the filament within.
Yeah, so you need to support. It needs reinforcement. You don't just want to pour a slab and have nothing holding it together. So
right.
I use fiberglass mesh instead of steel. So there was a cost there. Then you have the random stuff, some caulking to seal everything, screws, you know, not a lot of money.
The sink cutout.
Yep.
Was
we did
a cost.
Sink. That was
right.
a special custom kit I bought.
And the sealer and the staining or the tint.
Yeah.
So depending on which one you're going to do. So all in all, and as you can see, we have 2 sections that are islands. And then we have one run that we think is 13 by 7. It's either 12 by 7 or 13 by 7, but it's an L shape. So all in all of the material that went into it, and then the tools. Yeah. We had to buy special tools for this project, and we estimated about $200 in tools.
$250.
Okay, $250. So all in all, this project cost us a whopping
$1,250. Everything.
So $1,250. So as a DIY project, you can see that we saved a huge amount as far as the cost was concerned. Where you make up that is in the time.
Oh yeah.
So, and we'll talk about that. So if time is money, then this might not be something for you, because they're definitely, and when we go into detail, we'll tell you how long it took us to do it. But when it came down to the cost, $1,250. Yeah. Roughly, was what we paid in all to do this project. So if cost is something and you're willing to have the time, then maybe concrete countertops are something for you to consider.